Hi, welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in once again. It's Christmas season and I think I have a Christmas feeling in my flat at the moment. This candle is so cool. Anyway, in today's video I will bake gingerbreads. Hooray! I have never done it before, but I looked the recipe on the internet and I got the impression that it's actually quite easy. There's only like 5 steps. I will link all the ingredients down below and you can check if you have them, and if you don't have it you should go to the store and buy them, and then you can bake gingerbread with me along watching this video, right? If I can do it, you can do it. Let's start. First step, whip eggs and sugar until frothy. Did somebody say sugar? Did somebody say fat? I'm in. The second step, melt the butter and whisk it with the molasses. So much butter. Hi molasses, how are you? So now I have to wait a few minutes because this needs to cool down, okay? Here we go, the third step. Fourth step, mix the dry ingredients together and then gradually add it through the strainer into the dough. There's a ready mix of gingerbread spices. Look at this. It can be there until tomorrow and then we'll continue to bake those gingerbreads. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. A very good and early morning. It's Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. and I just woke up to bake those gingerbreads ready. So what happened? On Saturday evening, after I was baking the dough, I got a message from work that I need to be at work early in the Sunday morning and I would be home only in late Tuesday evening. So basically I went to sleep yesterday at 1 a.m. so I've been sleeping 5 hours. Now I woke up to bake those gingerbreads ready. I really hope they will turn out good. And also I'm filming this video today and this is airing today in about 6 hours. So it will be a rough morning. I really hope those gingerbreads turns out good. And I need a lot of coffee today. Let's have a look at the dough, how it looks like. Please look good. Please look good. It looks like this. It smells good. Let's start making those gingerbreads. I wash my hands. So the first tin is now ready. I have to bake it in 200 degrees Celsius. In the center of the oven, 5 to 8 minutes. Let's see what happens. The gingerbreads are here. I haven't tried them yet, but they look nice. It's 8 o'clock. I finally finished making the gingerbreads. Now it's time to taste them. Oh yeah, it's good. It's really sweet. It's really good. This was a success. This is approved. This is really good. Thank you for watching this video once again. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.